Where love opens hearts. There we are, the sound of the 80s, Renee and Daniel with the others. We do our daily live streams to enlighten you. We're doing our live streams every day to enlighten you. We unite and bring the sun that laughs over the fields.
We ensure that united children playing colorful dreams. Here there is no place for wars, only the freedom that makes life count. Welcome to MFNT. Everyone finds their place here, regardless of who we are. In peace, connected like the wind. Let's not just own nature, but see it as our home, where growth, harmony, and peace stand together in the sun. MFNT, a symbol of awareness and light, a movement that unites us for a world where love reigns, where humanity shows strength. The elements pure and untouched. In this utopia, life blossoms, and hope will never drown. We are here to grow and flourish in this world that carries us all, hand in hand with open hearts for the future that moves us. Let's not just possess nature, but see it as our home, where growth, harmony, and peace stand together in the sun. MFNT, a movement for a world where we are human again, free, mindful, and in love.